episode of the Spain Travel Diary series, we kicked off our Madrid adventure with a morning city stroll, exploring the Plaza Mayor and soaking in the charm of the city. We then visited the beautiful Parque del Retiro, the elegant Royal Palace, and the prestigious Museo del Prado, which showcased its expansive galleries and grand architecture. We enjoyed an unforgettable flamenco show and also visited the Rizal Monument. We spent most of our days strolling through Madrid's neighborhoods, discovering and savoring amazing Spanish tapas and the delicious churros from Chocolateria San Ines, which we kept coming back to. It was a trip full of memorable moments, and I'm beyond excited to share you what's next.
Con flores, te llevaste mi tristeza con colores, dibujaste la nobleza de la mano, a tu lado creció nuestra ilusión. A ciegas nos entregamos aunque muchos se opusieran, disimulamos nuestro amor, nos inventamos en cada rincón nuestra canción.
Before planning for this trip, I honestly have never heard of Sevilla yet. But there's just something about its name that sounded like sunlight, like something warm and old and full of stories. That was what made me curious. So, yep, let's unfold this beautiful city.
Suéltate la trenza cuando quieras. Venme a ver con la cara lavada. No pierdas el tiempo en las maneras, que el rímel no hace a la mirada. Te prefiero así, sin maquillaje, despojada de bisutería, sin trampas, sin trucos y sin traje. Déjate la trenza cuando quieras. Venme a ver con la cara lavada. No pierdas el tiempo en las maneras, que el rímel no hace a la mirada. Te prefiero así, sin maquillaje, despojada de bisutería, sin trampas, sin trucos y sin traje. No me interesa el mostrado del que la gente presume. Estoy contigo por tu olor, no por tu perfume. No me interesa el mostrador del que la gente presume. Estoy contigo por tu olor, no por tu perfume. Nada de espejismos ilusorios.
When I walk down the street, hearing and feeling the wind go through my hair, I dream of you. I dream about you. When I lay in my bed, lying and seeing the shadows all, I dream of you. I dream about you. You've gone. I'm so lonely without you alone. I am cold. When I drive in my car, staring and looking at people passing by, I dream of you. I dream of you. Ba 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 dee 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 dee. Is the only suitable destination for all the crazy feelings in my imagination. Like a bell ringing blue, I think it's true. My heart's like a flower bloom, up from the depth for no one's perfume. Baby, you're like
I've come to realize there's a certain freedom in not knowing. I arrived in the Andalusia region to Sevilla and Cordoba without any expectations, just an open mind and a willingness to explore. Maybe that's why they left such a mark on me. There's just something about these cities that stays with you. It might be the way how their layers of history and culture slowly reveal themselves. Not all at once, but gently as you move through the sunlit plazas, the alleyways with orange trees, and the centuries-old landmarks. I've honestly fallen in love with these cities. Somehow, I just know that I'll find my way back to them someday.
'cause you and I are made to be one of a kind. There's nothing you can do to change my mind. Your heart's got the love that I like. Won't you please say that you'll always be mine? Pack your bags to go. Ooh, the whole wide world is ours to roam. Whoa, whoa, will you go with me? Will you take my hand to beat the band and celebrate life like there's no tomorrow? Put a smile on the face of every sorrow, no matter what they say. Now's the time.